Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given a question t power 1 over 2, that is the square root of t, minus t power 1 over 3, that is cubic root of t, which is equal to 4. And the condition we have given is this one: t is element of a real number. Solution. And here I have to copy what we have. We have t power 1 over 2 minus t power 1 over 3 equals to 4. And at this stage we can write z power 6 equals to t, right? Then what I have going to do, we are going to take this z power 6 and replace the t we have right here to get z power 6, then power 1 over 2 minus z, right, power 6 power 1 over 3 will be 4, right? At this stage we have z power 6 over 2 minus z power 6 over 3, which is equal to 4, then z power 3 minus z power 2 be 4. At this stage we have z power 3 minus z squared minus 4 equals 0. And at this stage we have z power 3 minus z squared minus, at this stage here, this 4, negative 4 we have right here, can be written as what? Of course, when you have 8 plus or minus 4, this is minus 4, this is 4, right? Then z power 3 minus z squared, negative times 8, that is negative 8 plus 4 will be 0. And grouping right terms, z power 3 minus 8 minus z squared plus 4 will be 0, right? Then here z power 3 minus 2 power 3 minus z squared, here we can factorize z squared minus 4 equals to 0. This one only will provide z minus 2 times z squared plus 2z, then plus 4 minus z minus 2 times z plus 2 is equal to 0. At this stage we can factorize z minus 2 to get z minus 2 right here, to get z squared plus 2z plus 4 minus z plus 2 equals to 0. Z minus 2, open bracket of z squared plus 2z plus 4 minus z minus 2 will be 0. Z minus 2, open bracket of z squared, and you have this one plus z, and you have this one plus 2 will be 0. At this stage we're going to equalize each equation to 0. Z will be 2, or right here we have z squared plus z plus 2 equals to 0. And this is quadratic equation. We have a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 2. We're going to find delta b squared minus 4a c. This is equal to 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2, and this is equal to 1 minus 8, which is less than to 0, and this will be rejected, and shall still remain with z, which is equal to 2. What we have seen we have seen that z power 6 is equal to t, and the value of z is equal to 2, then 2 power 6 is equal to t. Therefore, t is equal to 2 power 6. Then here we can check if the answer is correct, because we have t power 1 over 2 minus t 1 over 3, which is equal to 4, and we have 2 power 6 over 2 over here, over 2 minus t power 6 over 3 is equal to 64. Then here we have 2 power 3 minus 2 power, what we have right here, that is 6, right? 6 divided by, here I have 4, 6 divided by, that is 2, that is 6, that is 4, sorry. This is 8 minus 2, that is 4, that is equal to 4, and 4 equals to 4. Then the value of t is this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.